Okay, so we got this situation. A gentleman has 6 friends to invite. Okay, in how many ways he can send invitation card to them? Okay, if he has three servants to carry the cards. Okay, so suppose that he has 6 friends. Okay, so that person has to send 6 invitation cards, correct? So there is 6 invitation cards. Suppose, now look at this. So the idea is, so that person will send these cards to the friends via his 3 servants. Okay, so you can treat these person as postman. And this question is similar like ring and finger. Okay, now look at this. Here in this question they did not put any restriction that like uh, max to max one servant can uh, like deliver only 2 cards, 3 cards, these kind of situation they did not put. Okay, so it is open. Now look at this required number. So the idea is, suppose that out of those bunch of 6 cards, the gentleman lift card number 1. So this card he is now deciding whether I should give this card to which person. So he has observed that he can give this card to this person to deliver that one. He can give the same card to this, he can give the same card to this, but he has to choose one of them. So he has how many choices corresponding to card number 1? Exactly, 3, because there are 3 servants. Okay, he can give this card to any one of the 3. Okay, so it is any one of the 3. Now, is your task completed? No, you have to send all the 6 cards. Now focus on, so that's why I'm going through multiplication. Now focus on this card. Now he can give this card to how many? For this card he has how many choices? Exactly, 3 again. Because there is no such restriction that one servant can deliver max to max 1 card. Okay, so there is no such restriction. So this card can go to person number 1, person number 2, person number 3, means servant 1, servant 2, servant 3. So again he has 3 choices corresponding to card number 2. Now focus on this card, again 3 choices. Now focus on this card, again 3 choices. And so as with these two things, 3 and 3. Okay, so can I say that it is 3 power 6? Okay, I hope the idea is clear.